The Antarctic, a continent of stark beauty, unforgiving conditions, and impenetrable secrets. For centuries, it has captivated explorers, scientists, and dreamers. But what if the ice holds more than just geographical wonders? What if it conceals evidence of something else? In 1947, a task force of unprecedented scale, led by the legendary Admiral Richard Byrd, embarked on a mission codenamed Operation Highjump. Officially, it was a mapping and training exercise, but whispers persist, suggesting a far more clandestine agenda. Was Highjump truly about charting the coastline, or was it a desperate attempt to confront something unexpected? Could a forgotten history lie frozen beneath the Antarctic ice? Admiral Richard Evelyn Byrd, a name synonymous with exploration and adventure. He conquered the skies over both poles, becoming an instant celebrity. But Byrd's Antarctic expeditions were not without their controversies. Even during his lifetime, rumors swirled around his claims, his ambitions, and the true nature of his polar explorations. He spoke openly about the strategic importance of the Antarctic, warning of potential future conflicts originating from the region. His descriptions of uncharted territories and unusual aerial phenomena fueled speculation that he knew more than he revealed. Did Byrd genuinely believe in the geopolitical threat posed by Antarctica, or was he using it as a smokescreen to conceal a far more extraordinary discovery? What secrets did the ice whisper to Admiral Byrd? Operation Highjump, a naval operation of staggering proportions. 13 ships, 23 aircraft, and over 4,000 personnel descended upon Antarctica. Officially, their mission was to establish a research base, conduct aerial surveys, and train for cold weather warfare. But the sheer size of the task force raised eyebrows even then. Was such an overwhelming force truly necessary for simple mapping and training exercises? Critics pointed to the timing just after the end of World War II, questioning why the US Navy would divert so many resources to a remote and seemingly irrelevant continent. What was the real motivation behind this massive display of naval power? Was it a show of force against a known enemy? The end of World War II saw a wave of speculation regarding the fate of Nazi leaders and their advanced technology. Rumors of secret bases and escape routes abounded, and some pointed towards Antarctica as a potential refuge. Allegations surfaced of Nazi U-boats transporting personnel and equipment to the region before the war's end. Theories emerged about a hidden Nazi colony, Neuschwabenland, established in Antarctica during the 1930s. While definitive proof remains elusive, the persistence of these rumors fuels the Highjump conspiracy theories. Did Operation Highjump have a secret objective? To investigate or even confront a surviving Nazi presence in Antarctica? Was the icy continent a last bastion for the Third Reich? Operation Highjump was unexpectedly cut short. After only a few months, the expedition was abruptly terminated, and the fleet returned to the United States. The official explanation cited logistical challenges and the onset of the Antarctic winter. But this explanation failed to satisfy many. Why abandon such a large and well-funded operation so prematurely? Reports began to surface of unexplained equipment malfunctions, harsh weather conditions beyond the norm, and even casualties. Was Highjump brought to a premature end due to unforeseen circumstances? Or did the fleet encounter something so extraordinary that it forced an immediate retreat? Upon his return, Admiral Byrd gave an interview to the International News Service. In it, he warned of the potential threat posed by aircraft capable of flying from pole to pole at incredible speeds. He spoke of a new and alarming form of aerial warfare. This statement, taken in the context of Operation Highjump, fueled even more speculation. What exactly did Byrd witness in Antarctica that prompted such a dire warning? Was he referring to advanced Nazi technology or something else entirely? His words hinted at a technological leap far beyond anything publicly known at the time. What was Admiral Byrd really trying to tell the world? The Hollow Earth theory posits that the Earth is not a solid sphere, but rather contains vast, habitable spaces within its interior, accessible through openings at the North and South Poles. Some proponents of this theory believe that Admiral Byrd discovered one of these entrances during his Antarctic expeditions. They point to supposed inconsistencies in his journals and maps, suggesting that he ventured far beyond the officially documented areas. While widely dismissed by mainstream science, the Hollow Earth theory remains a persistent undercurrent in the Highjump narrative. Could Byrd have stumbled upon a hidden world within our own planet? Was Operation Highjump's true goal the exploration of a subterranean realm? Accounts have emerged, attributed to alleged members of Operation Highjump, describing encounters with unusual aerial objects during the expedition. These witnesses reported seeing disc-shaped aircraft performing maneuvers far beyond the capabilities of known technology at the time. Some of these accounts link these sightings to the rumored Nazi presence, while others suggest a non-terrestrial origin. While these stories remain unverified, they add another layer of intrigue to the Highjump mystery. Were these supposed sightings simply misidentified weather phenomena, or did the skies above Antarctica conceal something truly extraordinary? Could Highjump have accidentally stumbled upon a location with high levels of unexplained aerial activity? A recurring theme in many Antarctic conspiracy theories is the existence of a massive ice wall surrounding the continent. This hypothetical barrier, far exceeding the height and scale of natural ice formations, is often depicted as a physical boundary preventing exploration beyond a certain point. Some believe this wall is a naturally occurring feature, but its enormous size and uniformity have led others to speculate about its artificial construction. Is the Antarctic coastline simply a natural phenomenon, or does something prevent further investigation beyond what is officially known? What if the maps we see are incomplete, intentionally cropped to hide the truth about Antarctica's true dimensions? Some fringe theories propose that Antarctica was once a temperate land, inhabited by an advanced, now-lost civilization. These theories often cite supposed anomalies discovered in satellite imagery and geological surveys, claiming evidence of buried structures and ancient artifacts. While mainstream science attributes these anomalies to natural formations, proponents of the ancient civilization theory maintain that they are proof of a forgotten history. Could Antarctica hold the key to unlocking secrets about humanity's distant past? Was Operation Highjump, in fact, a search for traces of a lost civilization buried beneath the ice? Many researchers have attempted to access classified documents related to Operation Highjump, seeking to uncover the truth behind the expedition's premature end and the alleged discoveries made during its course. However, many of these requests have been denied or heavily redacted, fueling suspicions of a cover-up. The official explanation often cites national security concerns, but critics argue that such secrecy is unwarranted for a simple mapping and training exercise. What information is being withheld from the public? Is the true story of Operation Highjump deliberately obscured to protect certain interests or maintain a particular narrative? What does the secrecy itself tell us? The mystery surrounding Operation Highjump remains unsolved. Whether it was a secret mission to confront Nazis, explore a hollow Earth, or encounter alien technology, the rumors and unanswered questions continue to fuel speculation. While definitive proof may never surface, the enduring fascination with Highjump serves as a reminder of humanity's thirst for exploration and our willingness to believe in the extraordinary. Perhaps the true secret of Antarctica lies not in what was found beneath the ice, but in the questions it forces us to ask about ourselves, our history, and the limits of our knowledge. What will future explorations reveal about this enigmatic continent and the secrets it holds?